The width of your hips depends a lot on factors like your bone structure, your age, and where your body naturally stores fat and muscle. However, there are a few things you can do to enhance those curves. For instance, try doing exercises that target the muscles in your hips, butt, and thighs, such as side lunges with dumbbells, squat kicks, and hip raises. Some yoga poses can also open up your hips and help strengthen and define the muscles in the area. Supplement your workout routine with poses like frog, pigeon, and cow face. If all else fails, and you're still determined to get the curvaceous hips of your dreams, you can always consider surgical options. For instance, a cosmetic surgeon may recommend implanting silicone implants under the skin on your hips to bulk them up, or removing fat from another part of your body, such as your belly, and injecting it into your hips. If you're just trying to enhance the look of your hips without actually changing your body, try wearing hip-enhancing briefs, which are made with padding that creates the illusion of bigger curves. Clothes with defined waist and flares or ruffles at the hips can also make your hips look wider. Even changing your posture a little can make a difference. Try standing or sitting with one hip thrust out to create an S curve. And swing your hips when you walk to help them stand out. Wearing high heels is a great way to naturally enhance that slinky hip swaying walk and make your hips look wider.